Why did I do this? Oh, we gotta make up some time. This is no joke. I'm at 70. What's going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex Scarfe, and today I'm gonna attempt to do 100 pull-ups in under 10 minutes on that pull-up bar. I know what you're thinking, 100 pull-ups, 10 minutes, it shouldn't be too hard, 10 pull-ups a minute, but doing 100 pull-ups by themselves is already hard, so I believe adding that time constraint is gonna make it a bit harder. So let's see how we do. I'm gonna look at my clock, so I'm gonna wait till 11:45, it's 11:43. So 11:45 we're gonna start, and we aim to be done by 11:55. So I'm gonna set this camera up and get ready to go. All right, we got 45 seconds. All right, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we got 20. And about 35 seconds. Got to keep that same momentum. It's gonna be hard though. Just kidding, it's gonna be easy. Let's go. Oh, it's gonna be rough. I'm at 28. That's 11:46 and 40 seconds. It's not bad. $40 in about 3 minutes. Oh, we gotta make up some time. $55. This is no joke. It's 11:50. I got 5 minutes, 4.5 minutes to do 50 more. Oh man. Why did I do this? At 55. That's 11:51 and 22 seconds. I'm looking because some kid fell on his bike. I'm trying to see if he needs help, but there's a lot of people by him. $11:52 and 30 seconds. I'm at 60. Oh man. I'm at 70, it's 11:53 and 55 seconds. I have 30 more pull-ups to do, and I got 1 minute. I don't know what to tell you guys. I got 20 seconds to do 25 pull-ups. $80. And it's 11:55 in 10 seconds. So I got like probably 78 pull-ups in 10 minutes. Not bad. I honestly thought I'd be able to do it, but I guess not. Means I need more practice. So we're still gonna finish off. I got 20 more to go. "90 pull-ups. And it's 11:57. So 12.5 minutes for 90 pull-ups. 10 more to go. We get it under 15 for sure. Done. 11:58, 45 seconds. Gotta catch my breath. So it took 13 minutes and 45 seconds to complete 100 pull-ups. 3 minutes and 45 seconds too late. But it's a hell of a workout, I'll tell you what. Super pumped right now. And it's right about to be 12 o'clock here in like 30 seconds, so perfect time to get that vitamin D. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to take on the challenge for yourself, try to do 100 pull-ups in under 10 minutes, comment down below and let me know if you guys can do it, or hit me up on Instagram. I'll put my link or my name right below so you guys can see that. So like I said before, I knew the 100 pull-ups was going to be hard because doing 100 pull-ups on their own is already hard. So trying to do it in under 10 minutes is going to be much harder, and you guys saw what happened. 13 minutes and 45 seconds is the time it took me to do 100 pull-ups. I think at the 10-minute mark I was at what, like 75 or something like that. So, you know, all around that's still pretty good in my opinion. And you know, I was trying to break it up, 10 pull-ups in a minute, but that's too hard, you know. So I had to crunch out the 20 in the very beginning when I was feeling strong to make up for the time that I knew I was going to lose down the stretch, which obviously happened. But that's a really good workout. You get a good pump from it for sure. And 100 pull-ups, man, no joke. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. I would love to hear your feedback. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.